Don't I look different? Don't I look different? I'm Anita, you know, with braids. No, I used to look so much tinier, and my face looked so much bigger. But now I'm looking tinier. Well, as much talk. Okay, I'm 7. When I made those videos, I was only 6 or 5, because, you know, I was really bad when I was 6 and 5, whatever, on YouTube, right? You should watch this. Oh, well, come here. Got this big guy. We got this big guy. Is it big enough to break me? So, you will listen and you'll see nothing. She's a mean girl. She's a mean girl. She's a mean. Oh, wait. Ready, set, play. She's a mean girl. She's a mean girl. She's a very mean girl. She's a mean girl. She's a mean girl. I don't really want to care about her anymore. She's a mean girl. She's a mean girl. She's a mean girl. I'm a nice girl. I'm a nice girl. She's a mean girl. It says no fishing, and she goes fishing. It might have sharks in it, but it does not, because it's a pool. But why does it say no fishing? Because there's no fish, that's why. Oh, there's only a shark in there. It looks like a shark to me, but it's only a dolphin. She's really mean. She caught the dolphin in a fish net, and she popped out because the fish net was too little for the dolphin that she caught. She is so bad. She's so mean. She belongs to down there, and I don't want to say it because it's a bad word. That's why she belongs there, because she's mean, because she's bad. Oh, whoa, whoa. She's a mean girl. That's it. Bye, YouTube.